Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at major suit raises, strong raises. And this is the Jacoby to-no trump convention. Well, when you, the responder, have a hand that is stronger than a limit raise, in other words, you have an opening hand and partner has open one heart or one spade, you would use Jacoby to-no trumps to say, partner, I have 4 cards support for you and I'm interested not only in game, but potentially we might be able to make slam if we have the right balance between our 2 hands. And what that means is that if you haven't got wasted values in one hand and losers in the other hand, you will make 12 tricks, sometimes 13. So the Jacoby to-no trump response is specifically asking opener to show a shortage. Shortage being a singleton or void, not a doubleton, singleton or void. And then the responder will be able to evaluate whether the shape of the opener's hand matches theirs and whether they should keep going. If they decide that the shortage, for example, 1 heart pass 2 no trumps pass 3 diamonds, which would show a shortage in diamonds, if the responder says, well, that makes me happy, that makes my hand better because I've got something like 4 small diamonds and now I know it's opposite a singleton or void. And I know that there are trumps to trump my losers in that suit. So your losers disappear if partner has shortages. So if you held ace and 3 other cards in a suit, say 3 losers, and you heard that partner had a singleton, then you don't have any losers. So you make a valuation as to whether you want to go beyond game or just stop at game. If the information about the shortage didn't make your hand better, you had something like Queen Jack 10 and another, or an awkward holding, King Jack 10 and another, opposite the singleton, well, just bid your trump suit. But if the shortage is good, now you make a Q bid. So 1 heart, 2 no trumps, 3 diamonds shows a shortage. But if you were to bid 3 spades, that would be a Q bid saying I've got a control in spades and I'm keen to go to slam. It's a wonderful, wonderful convention where after 2 no trumps, opener will show you whether they have a shortage, if they don't have a shortage, if they have a good hand or just a minimum hand. And it's all about evaluating if you can go to slam with fewer points than what we think, 33, are needed for a slam. You can make slam on many fewer points than that if the hands match. And the Jacoby to-no trumps is always showing a fit for your major opening, and you're playing in that major, they'll have at least 4 trumps. Try the hand I've given you and have a great week. The south hand has 13 high card points plus an extra point for the 5th heart. So we'll open 1 heart. And partner's to-no trumps is a raise in hearts and a strong hand called the Jacoby to-no trump convention. It will show at least 4 hearts and stronger than a limit raise, so 13 or more points. And it's actually asking us to show if we have a shortage. And a shortage here is a singleton or void, not a doubleton. We've got a diamond shortage, a singleton. So we would bid 3 diamonds. Just be careful that when you discuss this convention, that you understand that 3 diamonds, for example, here is not a second suit. It is shortage. And partner liked the information about our shortage in diamonds, and they are asking for aces. We're using today Roman keycard Blackwood 1430. So we've got 1, 2, 3 key cards. So our answer would be 5 diamonds. Partner bids 5 hearts, which is correct, because if our answer could have been 0, they only want to be in 5 hearts. But if we had 3, we should now take it to 6, which we do. And the information that we gave partner about a singleton diamond made such a big difference to their hand, because they had 3 losing diamonds, which have now been reduced to 1. So counting our winners and losers, we've got 5 heart winners and no losers. We've got 3 spade winners and no losers. We've got 4 club winners. So in fact, our only loser is going to be that diamond king. They try a spade. It doesn't matter what they try. We are now going to draw trumps and claim 12 tricks. The trumps broke 2-2, so there's absolutely nothing else for us to worry about. We've got all the other tricks. And only trumps in the south hand. So the big thing with the Jacoby convention is to make sure that you understand that 3 diamonds or a new suit after Jacoby shows a shortage, not another suit.